Every hero wears a mask. But what happens when the mask is the only thing left?
If you don't even know who you are, how can anyone else? Peter, you've changed.
What are you afraid of?
That they'll see the truth, that I'm not invincible, that I'm just a kid struggling to keep it all together. The harder I fight to protect this city, the more I lose pieces of Peter Parker. And one day, there might be nothing left but Spider-Man.
You wear that mask to hide your face, but deep down, you are hiding from yourself.